Good morning everyone, it's Dayan again and welcome back for another vlog here in my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are here in one of the most favorite pasalubong center here in Japan. We are at Don Quijote Yokohama Station. Yeah. For today's vlog, we are going to check out the chocolates and the beauty products that Donki is offering. And now we're starting to do a vlog. Hello, love. Yeah. Okay. This is Don Quijote next to Yokohama Station. So if you wanna visit here, oops, I thought it was the entrance. If you wanna visit here, don't worry guys, I'm gonna put the address and the Google thing for this. So we're gonna start on the beauty products that they're offering here at Don Quijote. So these are makeup that the Japanese would usually check it out. Testa. Yeah. It's kind of makeup. So these are 1,650 yen. Yeah. Then they also have the tester for cushions. These are 2,900 yen. So if you are a tourist, they offer tax-free. Look at their palette. This is 2,700 yen. And also with this one. Makeup, wake make. These are mascara, and the price of this one is 1,000 yen. Also, those are tester, and these are the prices of it. The same with the eyeliner or eyebrows. These are 650 yen. Yeah, number one. Tester for foundation. Kiss. So this is 0.1. Guys, we're back sa ating vlog. Ngayon, check naman natin yung collagen dito sa Donki. So for this one, ang price is 1,035. This is 60 capsules, 60 tablets. Collagen. Ang Donki ay nag-o-offer din ng tax-free. Kaya pwede nyo dalhin yung passport nyo para magkaroon kayo ng tax-free. Basta 5,000 and above, tax-free na yun. Ito multivitamins naman siya, B1, B2, up to potassium. Ito naman, nag-range ang price niya ng 450 yen. Ayan guys, 4,050 yen. Ayan. Mga multivitamins dito sa Donki. DHC. Same, 400. Ayan. Ito din, vitamins din siya. Pampa-fresh. Diba? Ito is around 20% off. 1,000 216 yen. Yung malaki. Itong malaki. Ayan. Ito yung, ang dami nilang collagen dito, guys. Mananawa talaga kayo dito. So yung collagen nila dito is 1,035 yen. However, kasi may tax siya na 10%, kaya 1,118 talaga yung pinaka presyo niya. Ito naman, vitamins din. So 862 yen. Same din dito. Mga DHC multivitamins. Vitamin C, ito po is 487 yen. Mga vitamin C. So 298 yen po itong lahat ng vitamin C na nandito dito. Dito pa din tayo sa mga pampaganda sa Don Quijote. Ayan, mga lip balms. Nasa 598 yan. Ito naman Nivea UV Protection, 980 yen. Ito meron din sila dito mga Nivea na lip balm. Depende sa shades. Merong kulay ruby red, merong smoky rose, diba, bongga. Yan. Iba dito mga pangkulay ng buhok, 599 yen. Yeah. Ito hindi ko alam na kung ano to. Bangso. Alam mo mga Hapones, mahilig sila sa bangs. So hindi ko to alam kung ano to bangs reset powder. Okay. Para siguro intact yung bangs, no? Hindi siya nagbubuo-buo. Ayan, 999 yen siya. Yan, mga skincare tayo dito, guys. Mga mascara. 1,100 yen.
Don Quijote is a store that offers tax refund. Foreign tourists that has been in Japan for less than 6 months are able to get tax refund if they purchase more than 5,000 yen without tax and present their passport. If you have any questions or concerns about the tax refund, please send a message to the employees or check posters. Please enter your shopping cart.
Dami din mga Pinoy dito, guys. Yes. So dito sa Don Quijote may sila self-check. Ibig sabihin ikaw lang mismo mag-scan. Tapos ikaw na rin yung mag-payment. Uso yan dito. Meron din sila dito mga truffles, chocolates. Mamaya natin to, i-feature natin to sa vlog natin. At least meron sila dito, hindi na ako mahirapang bumili. Chocolates. So ang ating vlog today is mga pampaganda tsaka chocolate. Yun yung vlog natin today. Ang hinahanap ko naman dito is yung mga collagen. Yung mga liquid collagen. Alam niyo yun? Yun ang parang bet kong i-feature naman ngayon. Ito mga pampaganda, Revlon. Yeah, mga lip tint, lip balm. Around ang price. Around mga 1,000 to 1,500 yen. Yan. Ito mga sa lalaki naman. 2,200 yen to 2,346 yen. Skincare para sa mga lalaki. Yan mga pang skincare, 2,200 yen, 2,900 yen. Ay! Yan. Toner. Tsaka itong isa, niacin. 2,900 yung niacin. At then yung toner naman is 2,200 to 2,500 yen. Ito sa mata guys, mga pampatak. Nasa 499 yen to 699 yen. Yan siya oh. 699 yen. Contact lens solution. Ito mga alak dito, Cuervo. 2,727 yen. Red wine, meron din. Red label, black label, 2,580 yen to 1,300 yen. Nagiinom ata itong mga to. So itong ramen, 1,997. Laki niya, Ichiran. Ito kasi yung number 1 ramen dito sa Philippines, sa Japan. Ang Ichiran Ramen ang number 1 ramen restaurant dito sa Japan. 1,997 yen. Ayan. Yung pinakamura is 897 yen. Ayan, ramen. Yan.